Hello, you are welcome to Everything Foodie. Today I'll be showing you guys how I bake this mouth-watering delicious chinchin. Stay tuned. And here I'm just filtering my flour, all-purpose flour. I used 1 kilo. And now I'm adding the baking powder, the salt, and the sugar, and I'm adding the nutmeg. I will leave the detailed measurement in the description box. So guys, check out the description box for the detailed measurement of what I use to prepare this chinchin. Okay, I just added all the dry ingredients and I'm just mixing it together. Make just to mix it well, and I'll be adding 1 egg. Okay, and I will mix it properly. Okay, then I will be adding my butter. Okay, I use salted butter. You can use unsalted butter. Okay, and the sugar I use brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Okay, and I will go ahead and use my hand to work on it to make sure that the butter is well mixed with the flour and the other ingredients. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that before now, and share the video with your friends and everyone. You can see how it's looking at this point, and here I'll be adding my room temperature milk. Okay, I used 3 cups of milk. Okay, you can see the measurement of my cup. I used 3 cups. Okay, yeah, you can see the consistency of what it looks like. And at this point I went off camera to mix it properly, and here this is what it looks like. Okay, and I will place it on a surface to work on it with my hands. You need to feel this with your hands. Yeah, okay, just rolling it over, rolling it over, rolling it over. Okay, to make sure it's all well mixed. Okay, don't overwork on it. That is another thing. Okay, don't overwork on it. You can see the way it's looking is soft. Okay, and it's not strong, so that you can be able to roll it well. All right, so you keep doing that. You can see is all well mixed. At this point I'll be wrapping it. Okay, I'll wrap it and I'll put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. I'll leave it in the fridge so that it can relax, so that the dough can just calm down before we start using it to make our chinchin. And here it is after 15 minutes from the fridge. Okay, it's just beautiful. Okay, it's just a little bit warm and I'll be cutting it in small portion. I'll be taking it in small portion. And when you are working on your dough, okay, for your chinchin, make sure you place some flour to avoid sticking on your working space. Okay, I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. Yeah, before you do all that, make sure you spray some flour, so that it doesn't stick. That is just basically what I'll be doing, rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. Try to make it smooth. Okay, try to make it smooth. At this point I'll start cutting it. Okay, this chinchin, you can cut it to any shape, to any size of your choice. Okay, yeah, I'm using my knife. You can, if you have a cutter, a pizza cutter, you can use that. Okay, but I'm just using my knife to cut this. Okay, guys, just try this recipe. You are going to love it. Your family is going to love it. It's going to be your family best snack. All right. My kids really love this. They want me to make this all the time, but I don't really make this all the time because it's flour. We need to take it in a normal portion. Okay, you don't abuse what you eat. Yes, this channel we talk about everything foodie, everything we eat. That is what we talk about on this channel. And if you like what you are seeing on this channel, please share this video with everyone, subscribe, and tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody about everything foodie on YouTube. Okay, yeah, because we are going to be getting to you guys amazing recipes, amazing drinks, okay, that you guys can enjoy from the comfort of your home with your family. All right. You can notice I'm just spraying flour on it, okay, so that it doesn't stick, and it will help me to separate them, okay, so that it doesn't jam together. And this is the quantity I was able to get from my 1 kilo of all-purpose flour. Okay, so guys, and it's already looking good. It's already looking good. I'm transferring it now to my oven tray to take it to my oven. You know, my oven depends on the degree or how hot your oven gets. Okay, so just check out what works for you in your oven, but I will leave the details on everything about the process of this chinchin in the description box. Okay, check out my description box. Okay, and you will see the details of all the things you are watching right now. Okay, guys, yeah. And at this point, I'm just trying to spread it evenly on the oven tray, and I will take it to the oven. At this point here, I just brought it out after about like 15-20 minutes, to turn it around to make sure is baking well. Okay, is not burning one side. Okay, because I set my oven so that it can it can bake up and down. All right, so that is it. You can see the color is really creamy here. Okay, and I'm going to go back to take it back to the oven, and this is the final look, guys. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious and yummy. Go ahead and prepare yours and send me your videos or pictures via my Instagram, everything underscore foodie one. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and leave me a comment in the comment section. God bless you.